In this video, we will talk about cells and their organelles. And let's compare them to some things. Restaurant serves food, and this is the place where people eat. I chose restaurant as the resemblance of a cell, and here's why. Restaurant and cell have their similarities. A cell has the cell membrane. The cell membrane is like a security guard because the cell membrane controls what goes in and goes out of a cell, like a security guard controls who goes in and out of the gate. Like restaurants, they have guards and walls for privacy or to protect what's inside. Now, let's go inside the restaurant. Inside the restaurant, there is space. Space is like the cytoplasm, where everyone travels within the cell. For you to understand it clearly, speaking of restaurant, let's talk about desserts. The cytoplasm is like gelatin because it surrounds and holds the organelles. The same way gelatin surrounds and holds the fruits inside of it. And they have the same texture. The endoplasmic reticulum is like the kitchen and the waiter because this is where the chef prepares food while the waiter delivers food to customers outside the restaurant. The ribosomes are like chefs. They make food and produce proteins for their customers. Without a refrigerator, the restaurant cannot preserve its ingredient for later use. The refrigerator is like the vacuum. It stores nutrients until it is needed. The mitochondria is like the breaker box. It provides power the restaurant needed. Lysosomes are like janitors. They clean up the mess and throw away the trash, the same way lysosomes dispose of the unwanted substances. The nucleus is the manager of the restaurant. It controls everything within the restaurant, the same way nucleus responsible for what everything goes on in the cell. This is how a restaurant like a cell.